in terms of going to therapy, part of it is exploring who you are, and so I would first recommend finding a therapist, finding someone you click with, and then just allowing yourself to be there and talk about and be okay with the uneasiness, because this is new. You are going to learn new ways of seeing your situation. So therapy, part of it, there is this awkwardness of seeing the situation in a new way, that the therapist sort of challenges you a little bit. But it's about just being able to open up, question in a very safe environment where you allow yourself to explore your own ideas, and then to get feedback and find the things that are self-affirming. So everything we do isn't self-affirming. Some things are very they are harmful to ourselves. Some of the ways we think are harmful to ourselves. And because you brought it up, just the idea is that there's some part of you that is wrong. That's a thought in and of itself that would be harmful to you, because this is the way you are. So then learning acceptance and then finding beauty in that acceptance is an exploration. So you need the freedom to do that. And that's not something that you can do in the heavy pressure of society, because society is going to push you one way or another. And being with a therapist is your private time for exploring who you are. So I would say that's where you would start. It's like, okay, I'm going to figure this out. I'm going to find me. I'm not going to pay attention to what society should say I should be, or what my family says I should be, either side. I'm going to find out who I am and what vibes or reverberates with me. And I'm going to explore that and bring that forth. So for you or someone in that situation, it's a part of exploring about who you really are and allowing that to grow and come out naturally, and understand that there are pressures from the outside that are pushing on you. And once you recognize that those pressures are there, you can identify yourself outside of that.